full episodes of Techcess are in your favourite podcast app on Wednesdays. In the meantime, here's a quick Techcess tech update.
Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. This week, I'm starting with some good news. The use of VPNs, that's virtual private networks, is at an all-time high. VPNs are designed to keep your online activity private, especially when you're working away from the office. But are all VPNs safe? Sadly, no. A free VPN might expose you to unwanted ads and even compromise your privacy. That's bad news. You might think you're browsing securely, when actually your data could be made available to cyber criminals. People use free VPNs for lots of reasons, such as accessing streaming TV content that's not available here. They can use the VPN to pretend they're in a different country. But if they then do work for you on the same device and VPN, your business's data could be at risk. The solution? Use reliable paid VPN services that guarantee safety. When it comes to cybersecurity, free is rarely the right answer. We can help you choose the right VPN for your business. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.
And that was this week's Techcess Tech Update. To get all episodes of Techcess as they're released, click the follow button in your favourite podcast app.